Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change mouse DPI on Windows 10. So first of all, you guys need to search for control panel. You guys need to go to control panel and then you guys need to search for mouse option. Now if you search for mouse, here you can see that mouse, you can change mouse settings and like how your mouse pointer looks. Okay, so if you click on that, you can see that there is pointer options. If you want to keep that DPI to low, you need to select this low, and if you want to change the DPI to higher DPI, you guys need to set it to fast. Okay, so I hope you guys how you can change your mouse DPI on Windows 10. So if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.